Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome to Run and Drive, and today I have a beautiful Porsche Panamera 4, and this is actually a Platinum Edition. It does sport some kind of cool little additions to the base Panamera that you would normally get. The base kind of specs here go, it's a 2.9 liter turbo engine. This is actually a Porsche designed engine now. As you can see, it kind of comes with these black tips. It does come with some really nice 21-inch wheels, as you guys see here. It does have this really cool trim on the bottom here. Also some Platinum Edition plaques over here, and little bits and bobs and pieces on the inside. But for the most part, it's pretty much standard Panamera. Without further ado, let's just jump in. We gotta put our seatbelts on. Okay, seatbelt on. Let's take it off fully. So this is just regular mode right here. The car is actually very nice to drive. It does feel a little bit big as you're driving it, but what Porsche really does nice with these Panameras is that they hide their weight very, very well. So along these normal, roads over here that you will encounter, just driving kind of day to day, this is a very nice and plush car. It does feel like it has some sporting heritage. I really like the steering wheel. The steering wheel is very, very nice. It's the perfect thickness. It feels genuinely good, and I can feel pretty much every single side of the car. I can feel the left, the right, the back. I can tell what the entire car is doing, even doing the 30 miles on the street over here. So even if somebody really wants to, is unsure if they can daily drive this or how this would be, because it's such a big car. If you look at it outside, it hides its weight and size very well. So we're gonna take it on a quick little hairpin here. This is a 15. We're doing around 30. Let's see how it handles. Beautifully. There was no body roll whatsoever. No body roll whatsoever. We're gonna, oh, nope, can't go here. The engine is 2.9 liter. I believe it's around 320 horsepower and 331 feet of torque, which is, I think, fairly adequate. This car does weigh around 2 tons, so 4,000 pounds. But then again, as I keep saying, it hides its weight very well. So I don't think that even if you were to get this car in its base trim, you'd be disappointed. But I know what you guys came here for. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna throw this in sport. Car's in sport, as you see. Gonna hit it one more time, which is Sport Plus, and we are going to give it some beans. Great pickup, great pickup. We're gonna slow down here a little bit. This car does have actually great pickup. It is more than enough for somebody that wants a sporty car. I think this car is actually fantastic for somebody that just wants something kind of nice, but doesn't wanna go crazy, wants to have that badge and wants to have this upscale premium feel. And kind of me driving the car here is actually what the car was made for. The car was literally meant for like quick bursts and blasts, just enjoy yourself in the city. Having a great car that can take you from A to B in comfort and style and not be too much of a nuisance. So for anybody that's looking at this base, I was kind of a little bit hesitant to, you know, look at this car and kind of, you know, take it seriously, as I'm somebody that really likes sports cars more than, you know, your regular A to B machines. But this thing is absolutely fantastic. Yeah, this is definitely more than some people would ever need in a car, to be honest with you. Let me put it this way, but this car is good. It's good for somebody that wants A to B and wants a little something sporty on the side without, you know, without going to the GTS. I do want to say that the V8 version of this would be 10 times better if you are somebody that really loves cars and wants a one car to do everything. Then a GTS version of this would be perfect, and I would highly recommend it. As it pertains to this one, again, if you are not really a car person, you like to dabble maybe in the cars and you just want something fancy, by all means grab this car. But if you want a one car do it all, do yourself a favor, get a GTS, and don't mess around with these, because I have a feeling like what this car feels to me right now is that it's adequate, it's good enough. But to somebody that, you know, might want more from this, I don't think this car has the beans or has the capabilities of this 2.9 liter to kind of give you that better experience and the thrill that you're looking for. You really need to get up to the GTS to have that. And a little lunch, we're back. Definitely some good burbles, some good feedback, and a little bit of good sound from the exhaust. But then again, if you're an enthusiast, get the GTS. Again, guys, thank you so much for watching Run and Drive. I hope you're gonna have a wonderful day. Thank you for coming by on this journey to check out this 2023 Platinum Edition Panamera. Appreciate you. Peace and love, and take care. Bye.